So if you have a vehicle and you get a flat, or if it's just this time of year, how do you change a tire?
How do?
Things you are going to need. So you're going to need a wheel chock or other sort of item to keep your car from running away on you. You're going to need a cross wrench or other type of wrench to get the lug nuts off of the wheel. A jack is also suitable for being able to pick the vehicle up. You're going to need, of course, the replacement wheel in question. If you do have an air wrench, that would also be helpful. And of course, the vehicle.
Start off by putting the wheel chocks in the way of your other wheels to keep your vehicle from potentially rolling away on you. Take your jack and line it up with the frame of your vehicle. People sometimes make the mistake of catching just the sheet metal of the vehicle, but that can cause damage. Don't do that. Anyway, I like to raise up the car slightly so that the tire is still touching the ground, but there's enough weight on it to keep it from spinning around when you try to work the lug nuts. Take your cross wrench or other wrench type tool and loosen the lug nuts of the wheel a little bit, but not all the way. If they are too tight, you might need an air wrench or other power or pneumatic tool. Once they're all off, use the jack to raise up your vehicle so that the wheel no longer touches the ground. Now you can use the wrench to take the lug nuts off all the way. Remove the wheel from the vehicle, keeping your hands off to the sides of the wheel. This is important because if your vehicle falls down for some reason, it will not crush your hands this way. Take the new wheel and put it onto the fastening bolts the same way you took off the first wheel. Thread the lug nuts back on until they are able to hold the wheel in place, and preferably make them hand tight. Lower the vehicle back down to the ground slowly, and stop when the wheel gently touches the ground. Use your wrench type deal to tightly secure the lug nuts, then finish lowering the vehicle. Remove the wheel chocks and jack from underneath the vehicle, and clean up your tools. Congratulations! You have changed a tire.
Pretty nice.